Today we've got to look at the iFlight XL5 Lowrider V3, this version with the 5mm removable arms. Get it out of the box here, have a look. Got an instruction sheet and parts list for the screws, battery pad, foam, sticky foam battery pad. Looks like we got two battery straps, decent quality with metal rings. These are carbon pieces, sticker sheet, bag with most of our hardware, screws, standoffs, flight controller mounting, black hardware too, matte black standoffs. Got 4 landing pads for the arms, mini and micro mounting for the camera. These are red TPU 3D printed. So this is the contents of the box that we have. Nice chamfered edge pieces, chamfered edge on the pieces of carbon. Arms are approximately 12 millimeters wide by 5 millimeters thick. This is bottom plate, approximately 2 millimeters thick. It does look like it has mounting holes for both 30 by 30 and 20 by 20 mounting for your flight controller. Holes here in the back for zip ties to mount the receiver VTX. Some holes here same way to mount another component, probably receiver in this build. This is a Lowrider, so we're not going to have a lot of clearance for parts. Same with the top plate and the sandwich plate, both 2 millimeters thick. Carbon pieces for the full-size FPV camera made out of the same 2 millimeter carbon. And this is the assortment of screws, standoffs for frame mounting and standoffs for flight controller pieces. Let's go ahead and put it together quick and have another look then. So there it is, mostly put together. Only thing we've got missing now is some longer screws here to put through for our last screw through the arm, and then that also serve as the mounting point for flight controller. Very clean looking build. Looks very nice with the chamfered edges. Carbon looks nice. iFlight logo etched in the top here. Not sure if you can see that good on the camera or not. Cut well, nearest I can tell. Nothing ragged. Holes all look nice. Everything lined up well. Nice feature. The arms have 3 bolts that hold them. One, like I said, is for the flight controller, but 3 total, and the arms come together. You can kind of see right here through these openings that the arms all come together and touch each other. They kind of lock themselves together, so there's no play in the arms there. Overall, yeah, a little bit of flex, not much. Pretty stout. Very low deck on the frame. Up here in the area ahead of the camera, or near the camera, looks like we're gonna come in at about 22 millimeters. Yeah, 22 millimeters. And then the area here where your flight controller will be 14.8 millimeters from top to bottom. So it's a little tight in there if you're gonna be thinking about a 4-in-1 I'm not sure if there's room for 2 boards in there or not. We're going to find out because that's my plan. I plan on building this with a JB F4 all-in-one flight controller and the 32-bit ESC to go along with. So have a Foxy or Falcor camera up front and Race Day Quads VTX in the back with a FR Sky RSXR receiver. So the only thing that I see I'm probably going to forgo is this battery pad. It is cut well. It's cut to kind of contour to the frame and around the screws. I am probably going to substitute a piece of Oma grip on the top. That's just my preference. But so we will build this up and kind of put it through its paces and see how it does as far as durability is concerned and crashes. I think it's going to do fine. Arms seem plenty thick and well made, and for the price, it's a really good value. I bought this on Amazon. At the time was about $33, so I think that is for the quality of the carbon and the cut. I think that's a good value if you're interested in a lowrider style frame. So that'll be all for this one. We will see you in the next video where we have this built and we will take it out and fly it around a bit and see how well it holds up to flying. Alright, thanks for watching.